Well, probably only one reason why you're here. It's because you're looking to level up on CSGORoll and or maybe wager some coins, but get more XP than you should do for them. CSGORoll's a CSGO gambling site. You can go ahead. They have Crash, they have Roulette, and they also have standard dice, which you can auto spray. You can roll one at a time as well. They do have unboxings, though I have to say my weakness is the 10% knife. Always a 10% knife because start your run on 140 coins before you do, but it's a good case for starting a run. If you're new to the site, you can go ahead and go to the rewards tab here when you sign in. Use code RipZ and that will go ahead and get you some cases. I believe they still do 3 of these. In that case, that's 0.13, 0.08, and 0.08, so that's 0.25 coins. And maybe if you go all in on a green, you get a bit lucky and 40 next set. Okay, I mean, fairly simple site. This is my alt account. I'll just put 20 coins there just to sort of demonstrate the strat. I have also made a calculator for this. You can put your current XP in here, and these values will auto adjust as to what you kind of need there. XP strats are fairly simple on CSGORoll at least. Oh, nice little green there. Basically, you set the amount of coins that you're willing to lose from your balance, and you just roll a 94% chance each time, and just carry on wagering until you get to the amount you are looking to lose. My main account is a level 60 here, so I actually get the level 60 case here, which is pretty decent, I have to say. So look what we have gotten. I would have gotten 5.33 coins. I wish. My current dailies have not been too great, but you know, stuff happens, right? But you can claim these cases each day. So level 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, and level 2, I can claim those every single day until the site ends up closing at some point in the very far future is the hope. Right, let's go ahead and close that. So dice trap. So we have 20 coins. Let's say we're looking to lose around about 10 of them. I'll fast forward the video once we reach the figure. Okay, so that's roughly about it. We're at 10.22 coins. We managed to roll that 348 times. So if we just open up the calculator here, and we will do 0.5 times 348, we managed to wager 175 coins. That was a pretty bad run, I have to say, because it's usually anywhere between 125 and 175. But nonetheless, we only lost 8.25 coins and still got 175. Let's take a look at our current XP over here. That's the level up sound from earlier. And we'll pop this in a calculator to see what we need to do. So with the calculator, you can just go to the current section here, add your XP in, and it will go ahead and auto adjust each value. These values, you know, they are a fair amount. But it's not that difficult if you're literally just wagering. Say you end up on a good run, like 120 coins, put 30-40 coins aside, just roll an XP strat and you'll start getting those daily cases coming in. So I only need another 48 coins roughly before I reach level 30. That's pretty decent considering it's the alt account. I have to say it's pretty good. You will find on a sheet the XP strat is listed here, so if you don't have to keep on coming back to this video. If you do use it, you know, send me a thing. If you end up on a really good run, just go ahead and do that. That'll be nice. If you are a developer or hosting anything like that, Volta, because I've been using them for 3 or 4 years now. Anyone that I refer will get $100 credit balance, and I'll get 25 of that once you link any payment method. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it, to be fair. Volta are fairly cheap, so I mean, my servers are only $5 a month, paying like $60 a month, and they are really reliable. In all fairness, they never really go down for me. I think there was one time where they had a fairly large outage, but it was only at one of the sites, and it was back up in an hour. Support's always really good, fast. Yeah, I mean that's basically it. Let's see if I can hit anything. Maybe we'll go for the 5% AWP, I guess. Now this case just always rips me on my main account, and that Medusa would be nice, but seeing that's not happening. Let's go ahead and just sell these off. And I don't know, we'll go all in on red. Why not? Just a note, CSGORoll, they have been doing a few giveaways lately. So they've just got past the 100k giveaway, which was for December. And yeah, people have. This guy still hasn't claimed his prize. Oh my god, it's been like nearly what feels like a week. Ah, so bad. 50k just waiting there for him. Just doesn't even know, even though everyone's messaged him and commented on his Steam profile. But they are doing another giveaway in January for 50k. These are currently candy canes. You can't spend them right now, but at some point it will be converted to gems, and you can roll cases from those just as you wager. You'll get them for free as you wager, so that's fairly decent. Yeah, as I mentioned, you go to the rewards section, use code RIPZ, you'll get some free cases. You know, maybe all in on green and get a cheeky few coins. Go to the withdraw and take some skins out. Just a note, I am sorry for the breathing in this video. I had forgotten to turn RTX Voice on. I'm likely not going to be making any more CSGORoll videos, but I mean, if there is something that you actually want me to go ahead and do, just let me know in the comment section, I guess, and like and subscribe. Thanks, see ya.